Hey guys, we're back. Part two. Part two is the beard trim. So we're here. And all right, Matt, what would you like to do with your beard?
Let's just shape it, drop
Okay.
it a little bit, just clean it up pretty much.
All right, I could do that.
Last time was perfect.
Yeah, I got you. I remember it too. Sick. Guys, I'm going to shape his beard. I'm going to have it looking elite. You're going to want to stick around and see how this comes out. Fucking sit down and buckle up and for the next 15 minutes and watch this. And at the very end of this video, Matt will tell you what federal crime he committed. I'm just kidding. I'm just straight joking. I was like, God.
None yet.
Yeah.
We'll leave it open.
Guys, just pay close attention to what I do. So you can match each point to a section for, for evenness. Wait, are you wearing cologne or is that me?
Could be my beard stuff.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Guys, I have the clippers on all the way down to a 0. You can just lightly come here and angle it. Like I say, guys, I don't really turn the chair much and I walk around only because I like to glance that view of the subject in the chair, the overall view. Not like just one side view of them. I like to see in front to see everything. So that's the only reason I do that. It's like making a painting and I get to look, back at it and see how that painting is coming out. Watch as I would start the carving of. Guys, I put everything into motion and then I crank it out. Watch, you'll see that. Look, guys, I take my Irving Barber Company straight blade for the straightest of edges. And look at that. Super clean. Shout out to Irving Barber Company. Actually, I need to go on there and order some new blades right now. If you guys want your beard trims to come out elite, get a blade from Irving Barber Company. They're the best of the best. Yeah, Perry versus Donald. That would be elite right there.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the one that needs to. I could picture that.
But that Perry versus Alves fight's gonna be sick this weekend.
Yeah. Guys, I might go to LA. Guys, look, with the beard trim, I take these Elite Scissors by Mizutani, these Serenit, and then I'm able to just really get that beard. Look how the beard looks. Super fire. And you guys thought these were just like hairdressing shears, or these shears are everything. JB Mazel, shout out. Shout out to Jamie Mazel. Guys, look, I can only get the beard trim this clean with these Mizutani scissors. Yeah, very, very clean, very good. Now guys, watch. We're just gonna get that just with a, straight razor. And I know how to put that right. Just so the mic sits right there. Boom, watch. Oh yeah, that's perfect. He has a perfect beard, guys. So it's kind of hard to be like, showcase. It's just he has a, very grows perfect. Wait, and so you're going to Colorado, Matt?
Yeah, we'll be in Aurora, Colorado next weekend.
Oh, nice. So what are you doing this weekend?
Tonight we're going to my mom's house. It's her birthday yesterday, so
Oh, cool.
grab some food.
Happy birthday to Matt's mom.
Yeah, me and Martin will be out there next weekend.
Cool.
My daughters play softball, so.
Guys, I'm just exploding a tiny bit of a fade on there just to give it that into the beard so it's... Alright, that looks sick. Now let's get this mustache to work. It's all you looked in there while everyone's just sitting down. It's like,
It was, bro. I was like, oh shit.
and what's weird is we can't see in there, but they can see us perfect. It's like, oh, that's perfect. Watch. It's gonna be sick. All right, I couldn't. You look better with a beard. Now that I saw this one looks for sure.
Yeah.
And even last time, like it looks fine without it, but I'm saying better with it. Watch go like it's like Matt. It's you don't have any gray hair at all. I was like, geez, that's the trip. And your beard grows like your hair on top, like because I would have never. I didn't think you had that much hair, just because you've always had like a buzzed head. So it's like whenever like after COVID, I first saw you grow your hair out. I was like, damn. I was like, and it grew quick. All right, that's perfect.
Yeah, bro. When I was in high school, I had a afro, bro.
Yeah, no, I saw it when it was during COVID.
Well, it was bad, bro. And it was worse. It was super. Like, I could pick it to an afro.
Oh my god, that's kind of cool.
Bro, I'll show you
That's
a picture.
pretty badass.
I'll show you a picture.
That's sick. Hell yeah. That's perfect. Yeah, both of those spots rented out. This one rented out and the other one. So like, we have a full house now.
Really?
I don't even know what the last one on the end is. It's kind of like, I mean, I'm going to look at it like, cool, all right, I guess more people will vision
Maybe
eyes
more
on us.
traffic,
Yeah,
yeah.
so it's like, all right, cool, time to put the working pants on and get to work and no more, laziness or any
Well,
of
it's
that.
not like you're not busy enough.
I agree.
You just need to get another person here that's
Yeah.
trustworthy.
Well, I need to get someone to help me run an Indeed app. And then, yeah, I need to get, without a doubt, someone in here without a shred of a doubt.
But you need
It's
somebody
like-
that's going to be solid, though.
Yeah, I agree, 100%. And watch, look now. So guys, look, that's Matt's beard trim. Now let's show him and let's see. Watch, let's look at it from the side real quick. Guys, look, everything. Let's let Matt decide whether it's good or not.
Yeah.
And what do you think? Good?
Perfect. It's perfect.